Welcome again to the channel Umwarimu Patrick. Today our topic is prepositions of place. Let's begin with a definition of preposition. Is a word that shows its relationship to other words in the sentences. Preposition of place are prepositions used to show the location or position of something or someone in relation to other object. As you have seen it on this picture which is in screen, we are going to see many prepositions of place. Let's begin with preposition behind. This first preposition is called behind. It shows the position at the back of someone or something. We can say many pupils are behind the classroom. I think it is understandable. Now let's go to the second preposition. In front of. In front of. This preposition shows position ahead of a thing or a person. For example, you can say the trash cans are in front of the classrooms. The third preposition is next to. Next to is a preposition which means like near, beside. It is the same. It shows the shortest distance from someone or something. For example, you can say the teacher stands near the door. Also, you can say the umbrella is beside that chair. Another example, you can say Maurice sits next to Jen. This is the next preposition, next to. Let's move to preposition between. We are going to see preposition between. Between shows position in the middle of two things or people. Shows position in the middle of two things or people. We can say Kaneza's house between pharmacy and hospital. Kaneza's house between pharmacy and hospital. Then we are going to see the next preposition, the fifth one, near. Near, we have said that it is like beside or next to. It is also shows the shortest distance from someone or something. We can say the teacher stands near the door. Let's see the next preposition as you see it on our picture. Above. Preposition above shows that something is at higher position than another. Again, above shows that something is at a higher position than another. We can say a plane is above the clouds. The plane is above the clouds. Let's move on. Another preposition. The next one is below. As you see on our picture, below shows that something is at lower position than another object. We can say the cheek is below the mouth. The cheek is below the mouth. Let's see the next preposition in. Preposition in shows the position inside something. For example, you can say, the pen is in my bag, or the ball is in the box. Let's see the last preposition, on. Preposition on is used for surface. The box is on the table, or also you can say the ball is on the box. Yes, I think that is clear. If you have a misunderstanding, you have to give us your problem in a comment. And this is the end of our session of today. Thank you for listening. But what you have to do is to have subscribe on this channel called Umwarimu Patrick. Share, comment, like. We are together in everything.